Hello everybody, welcome to quite a different type of video. I have received for quite a few weeks now books, retro computing related books from Microzeit or Zeit. Actually, I have no idea how to pronounce it. These are books related mostly to the Atari ST and the Amiga. They are for the 16-bit era, in case you don't know that, and they are they have quite a good reputation. I haven't opened them yet. As you can see, they still have the seal on them, and they are the ones I got. I didn't pay for them. I received them for free, and actually the idea of making a video of them was mine, so nothing going on between us. Now these books are 2 plus 2 plus 1, so 5 books. The title of this book is Return of the Borders in the Virtual Realm of High-Tech Pixel Worlds. Forward by Mark Rosotza, don't know, I'm sorry for that, and the Atari ST and the creative people. So let's have a look. I received these books a few weeks ago, and I was planning on making videos on them then. Unfortunately, the summer decided to play with me, and I'm barely managing to do anything right now because of the heat. But for some reason now I'm feeling quite well, and I said, for as long as I'm feeling well, let's try this. Beautiful, beautiful paper. To all those who must return to their borders. I like it. So the original was in German. Cool. Germany, for those who might not know, was perhaps the biggest market for the Atari ST computers, other than my mind. And yeah. Alright, contents. Let's have a look. Forward, and it starts from 1994. I did not expect that. Well, it does says Return of the Borders. the 64-bit offensive, 68030 impulse, East-West discourse. Then you go into 95, Brave New Atari World. The game is over. Yeah. That's for the Atari ST and the Atari in general, I guess. 1996, Demos Ex Machina, or that one. 1997, The Man Machine, Successors and Ruins. Yeah. Oh, evocation of the demo scene using an old bit ghost. I have to say, no idea what's going on here. But I believe this is mostly about third-party work. Now, I'm not going to show you everything for obvious reasons. We start with the Jaguar, which makes sense. I hated this machine. I didn't have one, but it always felt to me that it was the main reason the computers by Atari ended the way they did. And partly it is true, but chances are Atari would end the same way no matter what. I mean, the Atari computers. The IBM compatibles were just the Borg. And I don't mean Swedish. Dr. Emil and his son, I think, right? No. Who is this? I think it is. Pretty sure it is. Haven't seen them in many years. Alright, let's jump several pages. We are in 14. Let's go to Okay, let's go to. There was some drawing of pixelated boobies, and I'm gonna have to skip it because, well, this is YouTube. So some more pixelated things, but thankfully nothing, no nudity in this time. Japanese dentro. I have no idea what's going on. This is gonna be a complete new experience for me. Alright. Jumped 76. East-West discourse. I need to mention something which it's not something that obviously you can see on this video. The paper is quite good. It's like it's, you know, when some magazines would rarely have special editions with a very thick paper, plasticky. Yeah, this is like that. It feels really good. It doesn't feel like it will easily, you know, get torn apart or anything. Demo competition, dude. All these things are so new to me. Frontier Software, space. What's this? Dune also traded under the name Frontier Software and simultaneously worked on the first dozen professional programs for Atari ST, PC, and Falcon. They went to flood the market with Atari software. Several projects start in parallel, such as the Eco Corporation Watanoid, an asteroids clone, No Mercy, Alien Breed clone, Space Fighter, 3D shooter for STE. Wow, I think I have seen footage of this. Exodus, True Color Doom clone, and Falcon sequencer called Digital Tracker. Frontier Software. This is, you know what this is? For me, I mean, this feels like getting a magazine back in the day, one of the good magazines, and finding out about new cool stuff I don't have access to. Which is something, of course, that hasn't happened in decades. That's cool. Let's move further ahead. More than 100 enhanced Atari Falcon 030 games. Oh! 12 minutes of Falcon TV. What? Huh. Oh. Ah, beautiful! This actually reminds me a game later on called Dark Light Conflict. But no, it wasn't released for the Atari. It was released for PC and I think PlayStation 1. Good game. Iron Soldier. What the frick are these games? Wow, must be a Jaguar game, right? Or is it the Falcon one? 1995. No, it's a Jaguar. Okay, okay. Yeah, I never had access to these games. I never even saw a Jaguar in person till around 2000, where a shop was selling a pack of Jaguar new in box with 20 games for £20, British pounds, and I didn't have one with me. And by the time I had the money, they were gone. Oh, the SC1224. I had one of those monitors. It wasn't my first monitor, but I think it was the last monitor I had for the Atari ST. This is huge. This is a very large book. I'm already 164 pages, and we are not even at the middle of the book. Oh, what's this? Looks like a... Okay, it says Eco. Is this a demo or is it an actual game? Voxels? I don't know. I guess Oh, beautiful. Must be a bit of like a mix of. It's quite dark, I know. Like a mix of interface with battle command. Right, let's jump several pages ahead. The game is over, not a good page, I guess. stnews.com. It's fun that even though I've never seen this before, I do feel nostalgia for it. By 1995 I was already away from the world of Atari. But yeah, that doesn't mean my feelings left. I was just disappointed with Atari, with the company, not the computers. Iron Soldier 2. I wonder if there is a remake of this for modern systems. Originally from 1982, Sciences was adapted. Sciences? And I have this. I'm pretty sure I have this. Boxed. I think it was the first chess I played on my computer, on my first Atari ST. The blue, yeah, remember them? Beautiful. I wish I had a modern, not modern, I wish I had now Atari ST computers. Yeah. No, unfortunately I don't have any left anymore. I probably wouldn't have enough space for them anyway. And I am gonna skip ahead many pages. Now I'm 342. Interviews. By the way, fantastic photo. I don't know who took this, but fantastic photo. Yeah, from Microzeit. I hope I'm saying this right. More to explore on www.microzeit.com. Books for digital people. Overscanning shit. Okay, that's funny. Wow. That's a big book. It's like what, almost 400 pages? Almost, yeah. Beautiful. I'm gonna have this on both my main channel and my retro exclusive channel. I think they are both related. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please hit the like button. You can also subscribe on this or the other channel I'm showing this on. Again, I'm showing this video on both my main channel, Trust Theft, and my exclusive Retro Weekend video channel. So I don't know where you are watching this, but it's probably one of the two. If you like and subscribe, that will be very helpful. There's also a coffee link down below if you need to, not need, if you want to more actively support the channel and myself, obviously. If you like this book, and I don't see how one couldn't like it, have a look at the publisher, Microzeit. I'm gonna leave a link below in case, yeah, it's gonna be easier to click on the link, I guess. Again, I have nothing to do with them. They just provided the books for me, and I decided to make videos on them. Take care. See ya.